sizzling sausage, jalapeños, and crispy potatoes. This is how we do breakfast on the Texas border. Stay tuned, we'll show you how. Hola amigos, welcome back to Tex-Mex at Home. Today we're making a Tex-Mex breakfast, and we're adding eggs and cheese to make it a full border town breakfast. For more delicious recipes, visit us at TexMexAtHome.com. Now let's get started. This recipe serves 3 to 4 people. Here's what you'll need. 1 tablespoon of oil, 2 small potatoes diced, 1 fresh jalapeño diced, half a white onion diced, half a teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper, 6 to 8 ounces of smoked sausage, 5 eggs, and half a cup of shredded cheese. Heat your oil in a pan over medium heat. Add your diced potatoes, jalapeños, and onions. Season with salt and pepper. Mix it, then cook for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally until the potatoes are tender. I'm using fresh jalapeño today, but if you don't have that, about 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes will give it a kick. If you're enjoying this recipe so far, remember to like and subscribe. It helps us keep these recipes coming. Add the smoked sausage to the pan. Mix and cook for about 3 to 5 minutes until the sausage is browned. Everything in that pan should smell incredible by now. Add your eggs directly to the pan. Mix everything together and cook the eggs to your liking. I like mine well cooked, but not too dry. That takes me about 3 to 5 minutes. Once your eggs are done, turn off the heat and add your shredded cheese on top. Cover the pan for about 3 minutes until the cheese melts. And just like that, you've got a Texas border breakfast on the table. A Tex-Mex breakfast, quick, easy, and delicious. You can eat it just like that or with warm tortillas on the side. This is a border town breakfast done right. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want more Tex-Mex at home recipes, hit like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a new one. Now let's give it a try. Everyone will love this. I'll see you in the next one. Hasta luego.